In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account on Trello using their new feature. If you've been managing multiple projects across different accounts, you know how cumbersome it can be to log in and out just to switch accounts. Luckily, Trello's new feature makes this process a whole lot simpler. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is your starting point for the journey to seamless account management. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can proceed with your account credentials. Now on the login page, you have the option to enter either your email address and password or to use your Google account credentials for a smoother experience. Choose whichever method is more convenient for you and log into your Trello account. Once logged in, you'll be automatically redirected to your Trello dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, showing all your boards and active projects at a glance. Now, turn your attention to the upper right hand corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on your account icon and a drop down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to managing your account settings, notifications, and of course account switching. Next, from the drop down menu, look for the option that says Switch Accounts and click on it. This is one of Trello's new features that make handling multiple accounts a breeze. You'll see an option labeled Add Another Account. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter the login details for a different Trello account. Here, you can choose to log in with a different email address or, again, use a Google account. Once you've entered the credentials for your additional Trello account, you'll successfully add this new account to your Trello interface. You can now switch between accounts with ease without needing to log out of one to access another. This feature is incredibly handy for those managing multiple accounts for work, personal projects, or any collaborative activities. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Trello's new feature to add and switch between accounts seamlessly. This small investment of time can significantly streamline the way you manage your tasks across different environments. We hope this tutorial brings ease to your workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.